Alright, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple and genuinely practical ways to make money online in 2026 from home. And before we start, I want to be very clear about one thing. There are a lot of videos online right now talking about AI side hustles and easy money with AI, but most of them oversimplify things, talk about tools without real use cases, or suggest ideas that are already saturated. But what I'm sharing here is different. These are models that work because they solve real problems for real businesses, and you don't need to build a complicated software. AI has changed how quickly value can be created, and if you understand where businesses are actually facing problems, you can position yourself in a very powerful way. So let's get into the first one. The first way to make money online in 2026 is by offering AI-powered website makeovers to local businesses. Now think about a typical local business in US. This could be a real estate brokerage, a personal injury law office, a private gym, a cleaning service, or even a small medical practice. Most of these businesses already have a website. The problem is that the website was built years ago. It looks outdated, it loads slowly, and it doesn't reflect how professional the business actually is. The owner knows the website isn't good, but they also know that hiring a traditional web design agency costs thousands of dollars and takes weeks or even months. So they delay it. And the delay costs them leads every single month. This is where AI gives you leverage. With modern AI website builders, you can take an existing website, reuse the information that's already there, and completely redesign it in a matter of minutes. You are not reinventing the business, you are simply presenting it in a way that looks modern, clean, and trustworthy. The way this works in practice is very simple. You take the content from their current website, feed it into an AI website tool, choose a professional template that matches their industry, and let the AI restructure everything. It rewrites sections where needed, organizes the layout, and applies a design that looks like it was done by a professional agency. Within minutes, you now have a website that costs thousands of dollars to build. Now, instead of pitching first, you build first. You show the business owner what their website could look like. You put the old version next to the new version, and the difference is immediately obvious. At the beginning, you might charge $500 for a website. As you gain confidence and speed, that easily become $1,500 or even $3,000 per website. You only need couple of these projects per week to reach a very solid monthly income. And the best part is that this naturally opens the door to offering more AI services later. Now let's move to the second method, which is one of the easiest way to get started if you are not technical at all. This one is all about AI workflow and tool consulting. Right now, almost every businesses know that they should be using AI. They see in the news, they hear competitors talk about automation, and they feel like they are feeling behind. But here's the reality, there are thousands of AI tools. No business owner has the time to test them, compare them, and figure out which ones actually make sense for their workflow. So they get stuck. They know AI is important, but they don't know where to start. Your role is to remove that confusion. Instead of selling tools, you sell clarity. You sit down with the business owner and ask very simple questions that what tasks are taking the most time, what feels repetitive or frustrating, what processes slow the team down every week. Once you understand their problem, you research a small set of AI tools that directly solve those problems. You are not overwhelming them, you are giving them a focused, practical recommendation. You put this into a short report. Explain how each tool fits into their existing workflow. You are not building anything, you are not coding, you are acting as a guide. People often start charging a few $100s for this service, and as they gain experience, that number goes up very quickly. Businesses are happy to pay for decisions that save them time and prevent costly mistakes. Now let's talk about the third way to make money with AI, which is becoming one-person AI-powered creative studio. Every brand needs content, product images, social media visuals, and ads are no longer optional. The problem is that traditional content creation is slow and expensive. You need cameras, people, location, coordination, and editing. But AI changes all of that. With the right AI tools, a single person can generate high-quality product images, lifestyle visuals, short promotional videos, and even user-generated styled clips without touching a camera. This allows you to offer content creation as a monthly service. Instead of charging for a per image or per video, you offer the package. For example, a business might get a certain number of images and short videos every month that they can use for ads and social media. You became their on-demand creative partner. From the business perspective, this is cheaper than an agency and much faster. From your perspective, it's scalable because AI does the most of heavy lifting. Now let's move into the fourth method, which is one of the fastest growing opportunities right now. This is building AI-powered voice and customer support system. Think about how many times you called a business and nobody answered, or you were put on hold or just asked a simple question. Every time that happens, right? And that business is losing their potential customers. But AI voice systems solve this problem. You can now build an AI voice assistant that can answer calls 24/7, respond to common questions, route callers properly, and even collect lead information. You take a business real information, build a simple demo, and let them talk to it. When they hear an AI handle their own customer questions smoothly, the value becomes immediately clear. You can charge a setup fee and then a monthly fee to manage and improve the system. As you advance, these systems can handle appointments, bookings, and integrations with other tools, which significantly increases their value. Finally, let's talk about the fifth tool, which many people underestimate. This is AI training and team enablement. A lot of companies are already paying for AI tools. The problem is that their team don't know how to use them properly. AI ends up being used for basic tasks, while its real potential completely wasted. Your opportunity is to teach how to use AI in a way that actually improves productivity. You start by offering simple training courses and sessions. You use real tasks from their businesses and show how AI can reduce the time and effort involved. Once people see real results, they almost always want deeper help. Training turns into consulting, and consulting turns into a long-term project. This is one of those models where trust compounds very quickly. Now to wrap this up, all 5 of these methods work. But if you are starting from zero, the easiest entry point is helping businesses understand and implement AI tools correctly. In 2026, the real money is not in knowing about AI, it's in knowing how to apply it in ways that make businesses more efficient and profitable. That's where the opportunity is, and that's where the demand growing faster. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you understand all the 5 ways. If you did, just hit that like button, and for more such videos, just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. So see you in the next one. Till then, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep creating. Bye bye.